students, welcome back to our e-learning class. Today I will take class 11 economics class. So, we already started our second chapter, collection of data, and under the collection of data we discuss the primary sources of the primary data, secondary data, how to collect the primary data. So, we discuss some modes of how to collect the primary data. So there is one mode is the questionnaire. So today I will discuss about the qualities of the good questionnaire. Which are the qualities of good questionnaire? So first one is the limited number of questions. Okay. So when you make any questionnaire or ask any question to the respondents, then the number of the questions should be limited. Not too much short, not too much long. So number of questions should be limited. Next, simplicity. Language of the questionnaire should be simple and clear. Okay, student. Don't ask so much the complexity type of the question to the respondent. Next, proper order of the question. So question must be in the proper order. Okay, whatever your purpose of inquiry, if let's example, if your purpose of inquiry is the collect the monthly income or yearly income of the respondents, but you not directly ask to the respondent how much your monthly income. You start from a proper order, like what is your name, what is your address, how many family members, okay, in your family, then in which job you are engaged. So that type of question first ask, then you come to your main purpose. So question should be in the proper order. Next one is the no undesirable questions. That means you should be avoided personal question. Don't ask any personal question. So don't ask any undesirable question. Next one. Also avoid non-controversial question. Okay, don't ask any political related question, okay, any controversial issue. So this type of question should be avoided in the questionnaire. Now the next one is the calculation. So also when you ask the question, mathematically question should be avoided. Don't ask any question which need to calculation, because all the respondent are not so much educated. Okay, so avoid that type of the questions. Next one. Pre-testing. Pilot survey. Okay, so what is the meaning of the pilot survey? Pilot survey means when you ask some question, you previously you test to the respondent this type of the question, okay, which should be asked or not. Then finally you ready for the ask this type of the question. So finally you just test to ask the question, then again you finally ask the question to the respondent, which is also called the pilot survey. Then also instructions. When you make the questionnaire, the instruction of the questionnaire should be clear, okay, or all the instruction should be given. Next one, request for return. So when you give the questionnaire to the respondent, so you give the time, and after that time you tell them to return back this questionnaire. So these are the qualities of the good questionnaire. This question is very important for you. Next, the type of the questions in the questionnaire. There are 4 types of the question in the questionnaire we can make. Let's see. So, under the type of the question in questionnaire, first one is the simple alternative question. That means under the simple alternative question, you give only the option like yes or no, good or bad. Okay, only these are. If you ask to any respondent, do you have a car? He give you answer either yes or no. So, in simple alternative question, we use only some options like yes, no, good, bad. These are. Next one, multiple choice question. So under this type of question, you can put some options and who is the respondent and who gave the answer. They choose from this option, he chooses one of the correct option or whatever he or she want to give the answer. Next, specific information question. Under this question, which one is the only specific answer, the respondent give that type of answer. Like in which class you are read. Okay, so the respondent give like class 7, 8 or like this. So only give the specific answer. So in the specific information question. Okay, next one is the open questions. Under this type of question, you ask any question and you want to know the opinion of the respondent. Okay, so respondent give whatever his opinion or any specific matter he gives or his or her specific idea or opinion. Like how can prices is India control? Okay, how we control the rises of the price in India. So the respondent, whatever he thought, he give himself's answer. So this one is the open question. So that type of question we can make in our questionnaire. So this is the mode of the sources of collection primary data, and Now I will discuss about the collection of secondary data. So there are two types of collection of secondary data. One is the published source and unpublished source. So student, next day or next class I will discuss about the which are the published sources of data and which are the unpublished sources of data. Okay student, so read today's topic carefully. For today, thank you.